Have you ever wondered how it would feel to wake up every morning bursting with energy, your body detoxed and renewed? What if I told you that the key to unlocking this vitality lies within your kidneys, and it's easier to achieve than you think? Now, if you're generally healthy, munching on a balanced diet and staying hydrated is pretty much all you need to keep those kidney engines running smooth. But there are some foods, herbs, and even supplements out there that can give your kidneys an extra boost. We've distilled years of research and expert advice into an easy-to-follow 4-step kidney cleanse that's not just effective, but also incredibly simple to integrate into your daily routine. Also, as an added bonus, I've included a sample meal plan at the end of this video. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, enhance your overall health, or just give your kidneys the care they deserve, you're in the right place. So grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to renewing your kidney health in 4 steps. All right, let's dive right into step number 1, picking out some kidney-friendly foods. First up, we've got grapes. These little guys, along with peanuts and certain berries, are packed with something called resveratrol. Ever heard of it? Well, it's kind of a big deal. There was this study where they found that resveratrol could actually reduce kidney inflammation in rats. How cool is that? So, next time you're looking for a snack, why not grab a bunch of red grapes? Pro tip: try them frozen. It's like a mini fruit sorbet. Now, onto cranberries. These tart berries are like superheroes for your bladder. There's this study that showed women who munched on sweetened, dried cranberries for a couple of weeks had fewer urinary tract infections. Add them to your trail mix or sprinkle some over your oatmeal for a sweet twist. Let's talk juice. Not just any juice, but lemon, orange, and melon juice. These are loaded with citric acid, which is a kidney stone's worst nightmare. It helps keep those pesky calcium crystals from getting too big. Plus, sipping on fresh juice is a tasty way to hit your daily fluid goals. Seaweed, anyone? This isn't just for sushi rolls. Brown seaweed's got some serious perks for your pancreas, kidneys, and liver. In this one study, rats that got to feast on seaweed had less kidney and liver damage. Next time you're hankering for something crunchy, give dried seaweed a shot. And let's clear up a myth about calcium. Some folks think dodging calcium is the way to avoid kidney stones, but it's actually the opposite. Calcium can team up with oxalate. That's something we all have in our bodies, and help keep it from causing trouble. To keep your calcium levels on point, think about adding soy or almond milk, tofu, or fortified cereals to your diet. All right, moving on to step number 2. Let's talk about sipping on some kidney-loving teas. First up, we've got hydrangea. Yep, that same stunning bush blooming with those eye-catching lavender, pink, blue, and white flowers in gardens. But here's a fun fact. It's not just pretty to look at. There was this study where they gave animals hydrangea extract for a few days, and it actually helped protect against kidney damage. Seems like those beautiful blooms are packed with antioxidants. Now onto a bit of an exotic contender, sambong. This one's a favorite in warmer spots like the Philippines and India. It's not just a pretty plant. It's got some serious kidney stone fighting powers. Researchers found that extracts from this shrub can make those pesky calcium oxalate crystals. Yep, the ones that can turn into kidney stones, smaller. How cool is that? So maybe it's time to switch up your tea routine and give these kidney cleansing brews a try. For your convenience, I'll link to some of these teas in the description below this video. All right, rolling into step number 3. Let's chat about some supplements that are like high fives for your kidneys. First on the list is vitamin B6. This little gem is super busy in your body, helping with all sorts of metabolic dances. It's especially key for handling glyoxylate, which, without enough B6, could turn into oxalate instead of glycine. And guess what? Too much oxalate could mean kidney stones, and nobody wants that party crasher. So consider taking a B-complex vitamin every day that tosses at least 50 milligrams of B6 your way. Just remember, the scientists at the Food and Nutrition Board say to keep it under 100 milligrams a day, unless your doctor says otherwise. Now, let's talk omega-3s. The typical American diet can be kinda heavy on the omega-6s, which can stir up inflammation and might even lead to kidney stones. That's where omega-3s come in, like the cool peacekeepers, balancing things out. Aiming for a 1-to-1 ratio with omega-6s is the sweet spot. The MVPs here are DHA and EPA2 omega-3 all-stars. A daily dose of high-quality fish oil with 1.2 grams of both DHA and EPA can really do wonders. And we can't forget about potassium citrate. Potassium is all about keeping the peace with electrolytes and making sure your urine's pH is just right. If kidney stones are an issue for you, potassium citrate might just be what you need. But if your kidneys and you have a complicated past, best to chat with your doctor before diving into potassium supplements. A daily multivitamin or multimineral with potassium can be a good start. All right, ready for step number 4? Let's not forget about hydration, because it's super crucial. Did you know that we're basically walking, talking cucumbers with anxiety? Yep, our bodies are about 60% water. Every part of us, from our big brains to our hard-working livers, needs water to do its thing. Now, our kidneys, filtering away in the background, they're all about water. They need it to secrete urine, which is like the body's way of taking out the trash, getting rid of stuff we don't need. But here's the deal. If we're not chugging enough H2O, our urine factory slows down. And when that happens, we're in the danger zone for things like kidney stones. So keeping the water flowing is key, especially if you're giving your kidneys a little extra TLC with a cleanse. Imagine trying to clean your car with just a damp rag. Not going to be very effective, right? Same goes for your kidneys. How much water should you be drinking? Well, the Institute of Medicine suggests about 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for the ladies each day. But remember, this is just a ballpark. Your water needs might change depending on how active you are, where you live, and even the weather. So, keep that water bottle handy and make hydration your best buddy. Your kidneys will thank you. Feeling like giving your kidneys some extra love? After you've started adding those kidney-friendly foods, herbs, and supplements to your menu, you might be thinking, what's next? Well, how about a little 2-day mini vacation for your kidneys? Now, keep in mind, there isn't solid science backing up the whole cleanse idea, but focusing on foods that are good for your kidneys can't hurt, right? So here's a little sample plan. Day 1. Breakfast. Whip up a zesty juice mix with fresh lemon, ginger, and beet. 8 ounces of each should do the trick. Toss in 1/4 cup of those sweet dried cranberries for a little chew. Lunch. Get your blend on with a smoothie made from 1 cup almond milk, a scoop, about 1/2 cup of tofu, a handful of spinach, 1/2 cup should do, a sprinkle of berries, 1/4 cup, half an apple, and a dash, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds for that crunch. Dinner. Salad time. Throw together a big leafy green salad and top it with your choice of lean protein. 4 ounces, whatever floats your boat, chicken, fish, or tofu. Jazz it up with some grapes and peanuts, 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup respectively. Day 2. Breakfast. Another smoothie on the horizon. This time, blend up 1 cup soy milk, a frozen banana, another handful of spinach, 1/2 cup, some blueberries, 1/2 cup, and a sprinkle, 1 teaspoon, of spirulina for that green goodness. Lunch. Warm up with 1 cup of hot millet, then top it off with a burst of freshness from 1 cup of your favorite fruits, and a sprinkle, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Dinner. You guessed it, salad time again. Toss up a big green salad with your protein pick, 4 ounces. But this time add 1/2 cup of cooked barley and a little zing with fresh lemon juice. Wash it down with a mix of 4 ounces, each of unsweetened cherry juice and orange juice. Hey, this journey is about us walking this path together, so share your own experiences or that aha moment you had while watching this video. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Catch you in the next video.